Hi everyone, so you've made it to the end of college prep. This is the last module. So this video is going to be a quick overview of what's in the module as well as the graduation ceremony. So here's a little overview of what the module has. So it has two surveys after this video, and the surveys are really important. One is for the course and the other one is for the annual survey that you complete every year with us in ITA. Those are very important surveys, so make sure that you contribute something to those. After that, you have your last assignment, and it's a writing assignment, so make sure you complete that one. Then after that, you've completed all of the homework assignments for college prep, and you're basically done. But the next things are just information for you guys now that you are going off to college. So there are 4 categories, each one relating to a different aspect of college, and how you can either transfer or more information on the People or SEE program. So the first category is the People SEE category, and this is for students who are attending UW-Madison this fall, and it's just the checklist and another handout for People. You might have already gotten these papers from Goodson or somebody at the People office. They might have sent you an email already. So if they have, you can just ignore them, and you're pretty much done with the rest of this module because it doesn't pertain to you. The next module is transferring to UW. This category is for those who are attending another college that's not UW related. So any other college not associated with UW or MATC or anything like that. Colleges that don't have a contract basically with UW. So if you're going to another college and you want to look into how to transfer later on, this is the place for you. So it has information on how to proceed to do the transferring later on in your college career. The next category is the MATC category, and it has information on how to transfer if you are going to a MATC. This is going to be important because it will outline how many credits you need, if you're going to do the contract, and other information about transferring to UW-Madison specifically. And lastly, you have the UW Colleges category. This is for anyone who's going to any UW associated school. So UW-Stevens Point or UW-Whitewater, anything that has UW before it, that's the category that you want to look at. So it has really important things for you to learn how to transfer into UW because they are the same system schools. They have a lot of classes that do transfer. So it talks a little bit about that. So those are the last things in the module. So I hope they're really helpful. If you think you're not going to transfer anytime soon, I still highly encourage you to look at these things. It's not so it's just more so you have something else in your backpack. So you never know what's going to happen in the future. So just in case you do decide to transfer, you already have all these documents and you can proceed with more knowledge as to how to transfer to UW-Madison. Okay, so that's it for this module. But the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is about graduation. You are all graduating not only from high school but also from our program, ITA. So we are going to talk a little bit more about what that means and how things are going to happen during graduation. So for those of you who were not present at spring conference, you will be getting an actual invitation in the mail sometime soon, hopefully. They have already been sent out, but just make sure you keep a lookout. If you don't receive that anytime soon, you can also just go to the email I sent you earlier last week, I think, and it has the link to the RSVP. That's really all we need, and we need you to RSVP sooner rather than later. So if you have a bigger family and want to invite more people, we can work things out so that all of your family can attend. But they will be on a wait list until we can figure all that out. But we really need you all to RSVP, so as soon as you see this video or as soon as you get your invitation, make sure that you go and RSVP. So the first thing that's going to happen during graduation on June 2nd is you're most likely going to come in earlier than the rest of your cohort, the Madison part. You're going to come in earlier to do a pre-ceremony for you guys. So we're going to do this quick little intimate ceremony for you guys since you are graduating we are graduating the second class of students in our tribal communities. So an official email will be going out as soon as we figure out times and place for that. And you will most likely get it from Chris or Bobby. But we will be having a ceremony for you all, and that means that more likely than not you will be arriving at Madison no later than 10:45-ish to do the ceremony with us before you get together with the rest of your cohorts. After the ceremony, the ITA graduation with everybody, Madison, LDF, and Oneida, we will get together at Gordon Dining and Event Center at 11:45 to do the actual graduation ceremony. If you're wondering where this is, the Gordon Dinings, just remember that this is where you had your meals during SRE. This is every time you got out of the dorms, this is where you went to go eat. So that's where we will have it. There will be food there and cake and lots of speakers and talking, and things will happen during the ceremony, which are actually pretty fun. So the ceremony will start promptly at 11:45, and there will be guest speakers. Your elected class speakers will talk, so Makayan and Paige will go up and talk. And then we will have the commencement ceremony where you will come on stage, you will say your name into the microphone and the school that you are planning to matriculate in the fall. So it will go something like this. My name is Brenda Gonzalez Vasquez, and I will be attending UW-Madison in the fall. That's all you have to say, and then you will move down the line to get your diploma, stoles, and give handshakes to all of the staff that helped you get here. And when I say all of the staff, I mean every single person in the staff there will be a huge line, and you will shake hands with every single person. After the ceremony, there will be cake to eat, and then we will gather at the end to take group pictures of everybody. So we will take a group picture of all the United students and then all of the LDF students, and any other pictures we're going to take at that point. So if you want pictures, your parents to take pictures of that, make sure that they know that it will be promptly after the ceremony ends. After that, that's the end of the ceremony, and you're free to go. You're free to take pictures with your friends, family around campus, right where we are, or anything else you want to do. You're more than welcome to do that, but after that you are free to go and do whatever you want. If you have questions about any of graduation things or anything in the module, you can make sure to email me so I can answer those questions if I have them. If not, email Bobby, and she knows what's happening with graduation more clearly. So that's all for this module and this video, and I'm super proud of you all. You made it to the end of college prep.